and welcome back. Last time you saw us, we were celebrating Christmas and made a terrible Christmas dinner.
It's been the worst Christmas dinner ever.
In today's video, the Christmas celebrations continue as we visit the lovely city of Chester, where we take a walking tour, eat some, this time delicious food, and get cosy in our camper van.
So we've made it to the Flower Cup. Looks very nice.
It's absolutely gorgeous in here. It's a really botanical theme. Now, we're just about to go on a walking tour. By the look of things, it's probably just going to be us three, me, Tom and Corinne.
Just drawing some cash out because...
She only accepts cash.
Cash on.
We might have to get our man to stop off for a Red Bull at some point because we're getting quite tired.
She's not the liveliest.
No, she is. She's lovely. So yeah, we'll catch you guys soon.
19th century. It was in a very poor condition. Now later on, when you're walking around the city, please.
How are you enjoying the tour?
It's good.
So we're off up onto the wall now.
Every time Tom's like, Tom walked in front of the guide for a bit, even though we're meant to be following her. And I was like, I'm so sorry, he just loves looking around. And she was like, oh.
I carried on walking past her by accident.
So, we've just come back from our guided walk. Coffee. What did you think of the walk, Tom? We hadn't spoke about it yet, so this is all new.
There were two highlights. One, we went squirrel again.
Everyone loves the squirrels.
Another one, this little kid turned up out of nowhere.
Started heckling.
And yeah, guide were like, oh, and sadly he'd been knocked down, and he was like, but still good though.
Yeah.
And then he was like, and if you just go around the corner, you can see Wales. And she was just like, yes, I know. Unless you're really, really into history, I won't bother. It were a long hour and a half. It's 20 quid I won't be getting back.
It was £10 each.
It were alright, she were nice.
Yeah, like she did take us round the sites. Like I would never have looked at that clock for that amount of time, would you? Usually, no. But you know, when you look at it, you know, it is a clock.
We're probably going to have our own little wander around now, aren't we?
Or go to the aquarium, see the fishies.
But instead, I decided to spend way too much money on a camera, so please subscribe.
Oh.
So, explain yourself, Lauren.
Well, I wanted to come to Hobbycraft because I'm in the crochet club and it was such a walk, wasn't it, Tom?
We walked for about 25 minutes and we're boiling. Just for a bit of wool.
Oh, I know, thank you. Sorry about that. Tom's not happy because he's hot. He's hungry. Okay. Right, so we're just waiting for a taxi now.
Could you drop us off in that car park there, do you know? Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
We're back. We're back home.
We're now going to go to the Chester Cathedral Christmas Tree Festival.
We're at the cathedral and I haven't seen any Christmas trees yet,
Yeah,
so
well, just you wait till you get inside.
let's have a look.
Walking around now.
We're just having a quick wander, but we are going to go get some food because we're both hungry, aren't we?
Very peckish.
The Pringles ain't quite cut it for us.
No, they haven't. They were delicious, but no. I've just witnessed something beautiful.
Someone's got engaged and it's not Lauren.
No, it's not me. There was
But-
this man and woman on the bench and she's like on FaceTime showing her hand. And I'm like, they've just got engaged. How cute is that?
But we've just come to where
On
the
a
Christmas
negative
market and this was all hustle and bustle and now no one to be seen, so we're wanting a nice bit of pudding.
And I thought a bit of mulled wine or a bit of pudding.
but we're gonna, well, we don't know what we're gonna do. We're gonna have a look for somewhere for a bit of pudding or a drink, and then probably
get to crocheting and bedtime.
yeah. So this is where we parked the van. It's in a big car park full of other campers as well. A couple over there, and then back 2 hours. Let's get in. Good morning. So we've parked up and we're along the river. Today we're going to the aquarium, but first we've got some lunch to be had. And I've just gone for a little walk whilst Lauren gets some of the van ready. I think I need a hat on today. It's day 3 now. Hair's getting greasy. How's it going?
Good, thank you.
How'd you sleep?
Really well. Remarkable, actually. I had a hot water bottle and I just cuddled up with it and it were great.
In 3/4 of a mile at the roundabout, take the second exit onto St. Oswald's
I
Way.
think we're at the wrong entrance. Then I think
Taken a wrong turn.
it does look very small. Well, we're here. Well, us and the other handful of people will enjoy it for the day.
Bet there's not going to be very many good animals, is there? I'm joking. It's going to be good.
I booked this.
Ah, it'll be good.
What are you looking forward to see?
The octopus.
The giant octopus.
Yeah, you can swim with sharks here as well.
Guess what, Tom?
What?
You're swimming with him.
Nah. I wish
No,
I
it
were.
was like 200 and something quid.
What, and you want to spend that on me?
Have that, babe.
Right. Let's go see some fishes.
Well, no, we're not, are we?
Why?
Be transparent with the audience. What are we actually going to do now?
Oh, I forgot. We're making some lunch in the back.
Just a disclaimer. On Sunday night, when the Christmas dinner went horribly wrong, do you want to tell the audience what you've told me, Tom?
I think it may have been my fault.
Remember when we had that problem with the beans? Insert clip. The beans are rock solid. This has only been on for like 2 minutes and already the pasta's boiling away. So I think it was something to do with when Tom...
Alright, I don't
Turn
think
the
I've
knob.
turned the gas on enough, so it weren't.
So all that could have been saved if Tom would have just focused on what he was doing that little bit more.
I still blame Chef. Dinner has been served. Let's tuck in and then get to the fishes. And then fish and chips tonight.
Oh. A few facts about fishes while we're at the aquarium. So fact number 1, a whale shark has no teeth, so they can only suck things in. Fact number 2, the box jellyfish kills more humans than any other mammal on the entire planet. And fact number 3, what is fact number 3?
Lauren weighs the same as a dolphin.
I weigh the same as a dolphin. We've finished at the Blue Planet Aquarium. What did you think,
They were
Tom?
pretty good, to be fair. Some were, I didn't know if it were a bit harsh or not.
But apparently fish do have feelings.
Oh, don't tell me that.
Oh no, well we've finished it now, haven't we? We've now finished the aquarium.
Turning into my mother. So we're back home. We had a lovely little Christmas time away. Thank you very much for watching.
We hope you had a lovely Christmas and have a happy new year.